Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2014 Harley Davidson Softail Slim. This bike's got low miles on it, it's in beautiful condition. We ran it through the shop and service safety checked and inspected to make sure everything was in order. Softail Slim's a fat tire bike, it's got excellent rubber up front. Lower fork legs look good and all the hardware around the hub, black powder coated rims, nostalgic floorboards on it. This must be some wax or something. Maybe they got up too close to their wall in the garage or something, I don't know. Beautiful blue metallic paint. Set up as a solo. You can set these up and ride two up. Put a set of pegs here in that hole and then get you a passenger pillion to fit back here. 103 motor, 6-speed transmission, excellent tire on the rear. Got the factory exhaust on it so it runs pretty quiet. I didn't see anything on it that I needed to point out to you. Looks like it's just in excellent shape. Front of the tank looks nice. A lot of times you get little rock pecks and stuff on the front of the tank and on the front fender, but this one just looks real good all over. Check the mileage. Yeah, under 1,000 miles. It's got 897 miles. Fuel injected. Got your battery tender lead back here. It's like a new one. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. This bike qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. You see our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.